Ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome your host, Host RU.
It's so great to see all of your beautiful faces this evening. Can you please look at the person beside you? Come on, look at the person beside you. Tell that person you look so gorgeous this evening. Yeah, everyone looks fantastic. Everyone looks so gorgeous this evening. So let me introduce myself once again. I am RU and I will be your MC for tonight's event. Why don't we make some noise as we officially begin Samantha Eunice debut celebration! Come on, energy, energy! Alright, so we would like to inform everyone. That Sammy and her family are so delighted that all of you are here this evening. And because your presence is very important, we would like to request everyone to please stay with us from the start up to the end of our program. We have prepared a lot of amazing surprises for all of you guys.